Hello guys, so we've come to visit our friend at the hospital. She's been admitted for how long?
For a week now.
Yeah, so we decided that we should come and see how she's doing. Yeah, so come with us.
Yeah, bye.
Okay, let's go see how she's doing. Just hope that she's recovered. Yeah.
She can never.
Hi guys.
So umeniambia leo like kuja tuwakutane. So sometime back like before ending it.
Hello guys, so right now we are going to
Old Town.
Yeah, so come with us as we go to the famous Mombasa
Old Town.
Welcome back to my channel. So right now we are in the midst of Fort Jesus. So as you can see on the background, hapa ni Fort Jesus. So come with me as we enjoy every experience in Fort Jesus. Twende, karibuni. Hello guys.
Hey.
So we are at Fort Jesus.
Okay, we are at Fort Jesus today, and guys, it looks amazing.
We are having the day of our lives. It's the best day. Na siku hizi tumekuwa watalii.
Yeah. Ukingoja kupelekwa huwezi. So guys,
Ngoja mpaka Yesu arudi. So treat yourself guys.
so guys, as you can see the background,
The view of
The
Fort
view.
Jesus.
amazing.
guys, we're done for today and we've just gone through the whole of Fort Jesus. Yeah, we've made a 360 turn. Kila mahali tumezurura, tumeturn the whole Fort Jesus up and down.
So guys, you are so tired right now. It's been amazing.
It's been an amazing day today, so that's all we had for today. We've made sure to record everything about Fort Jesus. So if you'd like to come and visit Fort Jesus, you need to come and learn about the Oman Arabs. Just come to Fort Jesus. Come for a vacation, guys. Wacheni kukaa kwa nyumba. Explore the country. You need this. Trust me, you'll thank me later.
So that's it for today, guys. See you on the next video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and
Leave it.
bye. Fort Jesus.
Tuko Fort Jesus.
Yeah.
See the view. Hakuna vitu vizuri hapa hivi Fort Jesus. Yeah. Alafu my partner in crime.
No, the tour guide.
Nataka anilipe. Huyu ni director. She's the director.